The presentation of the budget iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2nd of May take place on April 15th. The presentation of the new budget iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2 with a powerful filling can take place on April 15th. This was stated by insider John Posser in his official social networks. According to him, within the framework of the internal discussion, the official date of the start of sales was also announced. They will begin on April 22nd. At the same time, he clarified that everything could dramatically change due to a pandemic of coronavirus infection. Recall that the new iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2 should be the successor to iPhone SE and iPhone 8. Speaking about its characteristics, it should only get one camera, which is surprising under current realities, the Apple A13 processor, as well as a screen with a diagonal of 4.7 inches. It was previously reported that Apple may postpone the release of the new iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2 due to coronavirus.